Hello, I'm in a 2008 Mercedes GL450 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we're going to go right down underneath. You should find a red lever here, which we're going to pull. That pop sound was the safety releasing. You should feel some resistance on this. If you don't, if you can see it, there's like a cable there that should be connected and those somewhat tight. Might need to adjust those if needed. But then we'll go up to the hood, and so you can see the hood's a little bit loose now. And on most vehicles, there's a lever somewhere towards the middle that you'll pull on to release. Yeah, so this one is directly in the middle. So I'm gonna pull and lift. So pull, lift. There you go. There's that component I just did, and that's what it was hooked onto. If you're having issues, you might need some like WD-40 or something like that, some debris cleaned up. And otherwise, sometimes if your hood or components are off aligned, might need to be straightened out so you can open it. And otherwise, these parts are pretty affordable to replace if needed. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.